All right, let's take a look at a few of these problems. It says to write the following expression without negative exponents and without parentheses. So when you are dealing with a negative in the exponent, remember it does not make the number itself negative. What it is telling you is that anything to the negative power, so in this case, the entire set of parentheses, it is on the wrong side of the fraction bar. So that negative exponent you should be thinking of as telling you, it's an indicator light telling you that these things, being to this negative exponent, are on the wrong side of the fraction bar. They are currently on the top of a fraction if you were to put them over 1. So you need to move them to the bottom, which would give you the invisible 1, being the only thing left behind on the top of the fraction. And then the 8 and the x would move to the bottom. Type that in and submit, and let's take a look at a different one. So this one is very similar. The main difference between this one and the last one is that the exponent is a 2. So currently, this could be written as a fraction by putting it over 1. Now the entire set of parentheses will be moved to the bottom of the fraction. So 5x squared moves to the bottom. Notice that once I moved it to the bottom, it was no longer negative. Think of that negative exponent as an indicator light. Once you have fixed the issue, it moves to the bottom. Now I'll go ahead and square what is in the denominator. That means I would multiply 5 by itself, which is 25, and x times itself, which is x squared.